We are in cabin 928, and this is the room tour. It is a junior suite, and you have your regular things on the door that tells you where your muster station is. You have your sleeping and out catching thrills. This side here is your bathroom. And we're getting on the cruise ship. The light is on. Being a junior, light is off. Being a junior suite, you have a bathtub. So you have drawers that open up here. And this side here opens up too. And you have in the junior suite, you have your shampoo, your conditioner, and your soap. I haven't tried them yet, but I will be trying those with my hair. I need conditioner. So out we go, and on this other side, we have a closet. And you have shelves on the side, your life jackets, the house coats, robes, quite a few hangers. These hangers over here have for your pants and that. And then you have the regular hangers. And the light for it is right here. And then you have the full-length mirror. Yay! And your bed. Royal does the weird rounded bed. The only thing I don't like, there's no plugins. So you have your nightstand, and I have no idea why it's away from the bed. Lamp, and this here turns, and you can turn it on for your reading light. So you have two switches down here for your lamp, and then for your reading light. And like I said, no plug-in for the nightstand. Very few plugins for this room. You might, from what I hear, Royal doesn't let you bring adapters that have more than one plug-in unless it's like UBS. Then you can do that. So I would advise to bring a UBS plug-in. You have the old school heater and your cupboard. But I find with the closet there, you really don't need much drawers. You have all these drawers here. Kleenex. I guess that's where the hairdryer used to be. And you have your volume for your announcements. This don't work no more. You have this one here for a plug-in. This takes up a lot of space. We haven't used it yet. Hopefully now we got Kramer and that will be using it. And then you have two plugins here with your switch for the lights. And here you have little drawers too. We don't have enough stuff to fill all this. You have a drawer above the TV. And then your safe. TV. More drawers. I have been using these for just stuff. Little mini fridge we haven't used yet. And you got a little stand here, which would be great for the coffee maker or something like that. We used it to put the camera on when we were doing our talks, but there's no plugins either side. Sucks. Little window. you can't get out here. Little window to the balcony. And then you have a chair that we sat on for our talks. It's usually turned against the wall with a footstool. The bed is a pull-out bed. Again, same thing. No, you got your lamp, your nightlight, but no plug-in phone. I have a charger there to charge my phone at night. And this here one will turn out all the main lights for you. And then we have the balcony. You gotta turn this up. Turn it up, baby. Turn it up loud. It's hard to turn. And then you pull. And it's quite a big balcony. So you got over there behind the one window, table, chair. I had to wipe it down. I had bird poop all over it. And you got a weird little chair there. Me, good luck getting off that chair when your knees are up higher than your butt. And the balcony. Oh, look, we got another ship out there. So I hope you liked the room tour of 9280 on the Navigator. And we're back in. That's the room from the balcony area. Hope you enjoyed. Comment if you've been in a junior suite, what you think of it, and bye for now. Like and subscribe to see more rooms and tours. Bye. Please like and subscribe to my channel. It's free for you and it helps me grow my channel. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more, or go back and watch some of my older ones. Thanks again.